Ever scrolled through your feed and envied friends traveling the world? Maybe you've caught yourself daydreaming about wandering through bustling markets, relaxing on sun-soaked beaches, or exploring ancient cities. It's easy to feel like those adventures are reserved for someone else. Ancient temples, turquoise waters, endless smiles, it all looks out of reach. Social media is filled with snapshots of people living their best lives in faraway places, making it seem like travel is a luxury only a few can afford. For years, we've believed travel is only for the wealthy, reserved for those with luxury hotels and fancy restaurants. The glossy images of five-star resorts and gourmet meals reinforce the idea that travel is about spending big. This myth keeps so many from even trying to plan a trip. The fear of high costs and hidden expenses can be overwhelming, making travel feel impossible for anyone on a budget. But here's the truth. You don't need a huge bank account to see the world. Travel isn't just for the rich or the privileged, it's for anyone willing to be creative and resourceful. I've met students, artists, retirees, and regular folks traveling on tiny budgets. They come from all walks of life, proving that adventure is possible no matter your background or income. They've mastered the secrets of budget travel, cheap flights, affordable stays, and delicious street food. They know how to stretch every dollar, making the most of every opportunity. The real joy of travel isn't about spending money, but about collecting rich experiences. It's about the stories you gather, the friendships you make, and the memories that last a lifetime. In 2025, you can explore incredible places for as little as $20–30 a day. With the right approach, you can visit new countries, try amazing foods, and see breathtaking sights without breaking the bank. It's not about sacrificing comfort or safety, it's about traveling smarter. You can still enjoy clean, safe accommodations and peace of mind, even on a budget. Choose destinations where your money goes further. Live more like a local, and less like a tourist. Embrace the culture, try new things, and discover the hidden gems that most travelers miss. This guide will show you how. We'll break down the steps, share insider tips, and help you plan your dream trip, no matter your budget. Let's break the myth that travel is only for the rich. It's time to open the door to adventure for everyone, everywhere. The world is full of affordable adventures waiting for you. From mountain trails to city streets, there's something for every traveler. All you need is the right plan and mindset. With a little preparation and an open mind, you can make your travel dreams a reality. Your journey can start today. The first step is believing it's possible and taking action, no matter how small. It begins with believing affordable travel is possible for you. The world is waiting. Let's go explore it together. If you want your money to go far, start in Southeast Asia. Countries like Vietnam, Cambodia, and Laos offer stunning beauty, rich history, and incredibly low prices. Hostel beds for $6, street food for $1, and motorbike rentals for $5 a day. Your daily costs can be under $15. In Cambodia, you can visit Angkor's temples and still keep your budget around $25–30 a day. Thailand and Indonesia offer beach bungalows and volcanic adventures for a fraction of Western prices. Nepal and India are even cheaper. Trek the Himalayas, or ride trains for just a few dollars. The region's tourist infrastructure is built for budget travelers, with cheap transport and endless hostels. Southeast Asia proves you don't need wealth for a life-changing adventure. Just a backpack, an open mind, and a small daily budget unlock a world of possibilities. Europe isn't just Paris and London. Eastern Europe and the Balkans are budget traveler goldmines. Explore medieval towns, hike mountains, and relax on beaches for $30–40 a day. In Bulgaria, hostel beds are $12, meals $5, and the Black Sea coast is a bargain. Romania's castles and monasteries are accessible on $35 a day. Albania, Kosovo, and North Macedonia offer stunning scenery and low prices, far from tourist crowds. Even in Portugal and Greece, avoid the hotspots and find cheap stays in smaller towns or lesser-known islands. Travel by local buses, eat at family-run taverns, and stay in hostels or private rooms. Eastern Europe rewards curious travelers with rich experiences and amazing value. You can have a classic European adventure without emptying your bank account. Latin America pulses with life, color, and adventure on a budget. In Bolivia, hostel beds are $7 and full meals cost $2–3. Explore salt flats and markets for next to nothing. Colombia is safe, beautiful, and affordable. $30 a day covers coffee regions, colonial cities, and the Caribbean coast. Ecuador offers the Amazon, Andes, and coast for about $30 a day. Even Mexico, outside tourist hotspots, is a bargain. Street tacos for $1, charming guest houses for less. The secret: live like a local. Eat at markets, use local buses, and stay in family-run inns. Embrace the local way, and you'll save money while having a more authentic experience. Latin America is a feast for the senses, and your wallet. You don't need much to enjoy it all. Africa may seem expensive, but there are budget-friendly gems for adventurous travelers. Morocco is a perfect entry point. Riyadh's for $10, tagines for a few dollars, and Sahara trips on a shoestring. Malawi offers lakeside hostels for $10 and a daily budget of $25. Kenya's backpacker scene is growing. Skip pricey safaris and focus on culture and coast. Public transport is cheap and a cultural experience in itself. Eat local, stay in hostels, and be flexible. Africa rewards patient, adventurous travelers with unforgettable moments. You don't need a safari-sized budget to experience its magic. Knowing how to save is just as important as knowing where to go. Smart budgeting can be the difference between a short getaway and a life-changing adventure. With a few clever strategies, you can stretch your funds and travel further than you ever imagined. Travel in the shoulder or off-season. Flights and rooms are cheaper, and crowds are gone. You'll enjoy a more authentic experience, and your money will go much further when demand is low. Accommodation is your biggest expense, so skip pricey hotels. Choose hostels, guest houses, or homestays for a more affordable and often more memorable stay. These options let you meet fellow travelers and locals alike. Hostels are social hubs, often with private rooms, if you want privacy. Guest houses offer local flavor and a chance to connect with your destination on a deeper level. Try couchsurfing for free stays and cultural exchange. You'll not only save money, but also gain insight into local life and make new friends along the way. Eat like a local. Street food, markets, and small eateries are cheap and delicious. Sampling local cuisine is part of the adventure, and you'll often find the best flavors off the tourist trail. Stay somewhere with a kitchen and cook some meals to save even more. Shopping at local markets and preparing your own food can be fun, healthy, and budget-friendly. For transport, compare budget airlines with buses and trains. Land travel is often cheaper and more scenic. Overnight buses or trains can double as accommodation, saving you even more. Use public transport in cities and walk whenever possible. Local buses, trams, and subways are not only affordable, but also give you a real feel for daily life. Walking is free, healthy, and lets you discover hidden gems you'd never see from a taxi or tour bus. Take your time and soak in the atmosphere. Master these rules and your travel funds will stretch much further. Track your spending as you go to avoid surprises and keep your budget on track. Budget travel isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart choices and prioritizing experiences over luxury. The more you save, the longer you can explore. Every dollar saved is another day on the road, another story to tell. With the right habits, weeks or even months of travel are within reach. Your journey is limited only by your creativity and resourcefulness. Make every dollar count, and the world truly opens up, one budget-friendly adventure at a time. Budget travel isn't just about saving money, it's a new way of seeing the world. It's about shifting your perspective, learning to appreciate the beauty and simplicity, and finding adventure in the everyday. When you travel on a budget, you're not just cutting costs. You're opening yourself up to a more authentic, meaningful experience. Forget luxury ads. The best experiences come from stepping off the beaten path. Value experiences over possessions. When you wander through local markets or stroll down quiet, cobbled streets, you discover the real heart of a place, its people, its flavors, its stories. Sometimes the bus is crowded, the hostel noisy, or you get lost, but these moments become the adventure. The unexpected challenges and little mishaps are what make your journey memorable and unique. Long rides mean countryside views and local conversations. You'll see landscapes you'd miss from a plane, and you'll hear stories from people you'd never meet otherwise. Noisy hostels lead to new friends and secret tips. Sharing a meal or a laugh with fellow travelers can spark lifelong friendships and open doors to hidden spots you'd never find in a guidebook. Getting lost uncovers hidden gems. Sometimes the best memories are made when you take a wrong turn and stumble upon a cozy cafe or a quiet park. Embrace slow travel. Stay longer. Go deeper. And connect with places and people. Let yourself settle in. Learn the rhythms of daily life and become part of the community, even if just for a little while. Rent a room, learn the language, and find the rhythm of daily life. These small steps help you understand a place from the inside out, making your journey richer and more rewarding. This immersive approach is richer, more meaningful, and cheaper. You'll gain memories and insights that no expensive tour can offer. The budget traveler's mindset is gratitude, flexibility, and curiosity. It's about being open to change and finding joy in the unexpected. Be grateful for small joys, flexible with plans, and open to new experiences. Savor a sunset, try a new dish, or simply enjoy a quiet moment. This mindset costs nothing but enriches your journey beyond measure. It transforms every day on the road into an opportunity for growth and discovery. Travel becomes a journey of personal growth, not just a vacation. In the end, it's not about how much you spend, but how deeply you experience the world around you. Amazing budget trips start with smart planning. Set a savings goal, cut unnecessary expenses, and stash the money in a travel fund. Even small savings add up. Research destinations, use blogs, guidebooks, and up-to-date websites to find places that fit your interests and budget. Make a short list, and be open to unexpected, affordable adventures. Sketch a rough itinerary. No need to plan every day, but know your route and book your first nights. Be flexible with travel dates. Midweek flights are often cheaper. Book hostels or guest houses for your arrival, then stay spontaneous. Consider traveling with a friend to split costs and share the experience. Before you go, check visas, vaccinations, and notify your bank. A little planning ensures a smooth, safe trip. The adventure begins long before you board a plane. With the right prep, your dream trip is within reach. Start planning and watch your dream become reality. Whether you're already exploring the world or just dreaming of your first big trip, remember, adventure is for everyone. You have the tools, the inspiration, and the know-how to make your travel dreams a reality. Every journey starts with a single step, so why not take yours today? Embrace new experiences, seek out unforgettable moments, and let curiosity guide you. The world is waiting, and it's more accessible than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration, practical tips, and immersive destination guides. Share your travel goals or favorite destinations in the comments. We love hearing your stories. Join our community of explorers, and let's inspire each other to see more of this amazing planet. Your next adventure is just a click away. Go, explore, learn, grow, and remember, we're here to help you every step of the way. Your adventure is out there, waiting for you. Subscribe now, and let's make your travel dreams come true, one journey at a time.